Hey guys, a short update on price of Bitcoin. Well, it's not very interesting these days. From the weekend and even now, we still are in the same very narrow range. We had a breakout to the upside. We had the breakout to the downside. Often happens that it leads to this kind of N-type pattern, which means that we go upwards from here. Not necessarily, but still we have this sequence of lower highs, and often happens that with this pattern we break at least this high. But well, whether we go even higher or not, it's very unclear now. Very unclear, because mostly it depends on S&P 500. As you see, we also have the lowering volatility here, and maybe within 1 week, even maybe, well, I would say 2 weeks at least, but within 1 week is very likely that we'll break one way or another. Until we break it, it's hard to say which way the breakout will happen, but still it's more likely that more likely than not that Bitcoin will follow. And currently, although it's still very early to say, this is also kind of shifting the narrative, shifting the general view of the price action towards the bullish end, because again, this is the last false breakout, the final false breakout in the sequence of two, but still, and it also resembles the same pattern, reversal pattern, which we had here, although the correction after this pattern was not pretty at all, and we were very low after that, below 95,000. But potentially we can continue this price movement even higher and even more long term, meaning that it is potential breakout to the general like bigger range. And also I see that today altcoins are showing some strength finally, and having the same type of pattern as we see on BTC, and it's pretty much the same pattern everywhere. Looks like a reversal pattern, like as you see, Litecoin is actually testing the resistance of the whole range. So maybe it's a sign for the future move even higher for the whole market. So we'll see about that, but there is a hope. Still, I will continue watching S&P 500 as the main driver of the price for crypto these days. I don't think that Bitcoin would be able to go independently from that. Yet it's just a matter, in my opinion, whether we have a correction and upwards or go right away to the upside. So I think that it's both ways, both options are really positive long term, and we don't need to be scared or afraid or just worrying, because again, it's just like a very short-term price action we're observing right now, and eventually we'll still have a very high chance to go much higher. Okay guys, tomorrow I will make another update. We'll see how it goes. Maybe even within a couple of days we'll see some more definitive price movements and more hints about what happens next. And for today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your comments if you want to ask something specific. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.